Congratulations, your new hair system has arrived. This is an exciting step, but before you rush to install it, there are a few important things you need to know. Preparing your system and your workspace will make the whole process smoother, easier, and much less stressful. When your hair system comes out of the box, it might have a styled shape that isn't quite what you want. That's why we always recommend washing it before your first attachment. And here's how. First, you want to fill the sink with lukewarm water and add a small amount of gentle sulfate-free shampoo. Place your hair system in the water and gently swish it around. Don't rub or twist. Rinse thoroughly. Then apply a light conditioner focusing on the mid-lengths and ends, not the base. Rinse again and gently blot with a towel. This quick wash removes any factory coating, leaving your hair system clean, soft, and ready for styling. Next, let's get your workspace ready for the attachment. A clean, organized setup will make the process much easier. Choose a well-lit space, like your bathroom usually works the best. Have a mirror in front of you and, if possible, a 360 mirror. Otherwise, a hand mirror for side and back views. Lay out all your tools ahead of time. Finally, make sure you won't be rushed. Set aside enough time to focus without interruptions. Think of this like preparing your station before a haircut. It's about making the process smooth and stress-free. By washing your new system and setting up your workspace, you're giving yourself the best possible start. In the next lesson, we'll move into the actual attachment process. Be sure to click on the lesson that is best suited for your base. Now you can feel confident knowing both your system and your environment are ready to go.